What up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a breakfast pizza. What makes it a breakfast pizza? Let's take a peek and see. Ooh-wee! Guess you're gonna have to wait and see. Check out the video. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. This pizza should be done and ready to go. Oh, looky here. That is looking fire. As you can see, I have some green onions over here. These are bomb. That's gonna be my side dish. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. Pull that right over here. I'm just gonna close up. Ooh-wee. I think we might need a little bit more there. Bam. All right, let's take this inside. All right, it's taste test time. Here we go with another one. As you saw in the video, the ingredients that we use to make this breakfast pizza, we got the sausage, the bacon, the green onion. We added an egg on the top of that. Well, actually, we added 2. Man, this thing looks so good. It smells good. Let's go ahead and get our pizza cutter. Let's slice into this, get a little piece. We're about to get a bite. Let's go ahead and cut this up. All right, we're gonna cut this way. We're gonna cut that way. Going to the side, from the left to the right, or from the right to the left. Maybe it's your left to my right. Who knows? Just cutting through, not too bad, you know what I'm saying? This is good. Oh, got a little crunch right there. All right. Go ahead and cut it this way. I probably should turn the board on instead of my body. Rookie. Sorry guys, blocking the view there. Man, this looks good, smells good. Boom, bam, pow. Look at that. I also got my green onions that I had on the side there. Freaking amazing. All right, you guys ready to get this taste test? All right, here we go. Let's go. Sausage is falling off. Got the egg on the end of that. Bam. Wow. That is definitely a good pizza right there. I almost dubbed this a failure because in the beginning I was a little concerned with the way the crust was coming out, right? But overall, this came out amazing. Excuse me, guys. You can taste all the flavors in there. The salt from the bacon and the sausage. You got that cheese flavor, and you got that smoke bomb from Uncle Steve's Shake. Make sure you guys check out UncleSteveShakes.com if you guys want to get your shakes. He's got a variety of things over there. Awesome flavors. Shout out to Uncle Steve. Back to the pizza though. Man, this is amazing. This is so amazing. Breakfast pizza, guys, you definitely got to try this out. If you like what we did here today, go and hit that like button. Be sure to share us out. We are back. 12 Days of Grillmas. Share us out, subscribe, like the page, like the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Mm.